Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell. And at first I wasn't gonna do a video on this, but then I asked on Twitter and it seemed like a decent amount of people actually wanted to see a video on this. So here I am with it. But today I actually got the Onyx Studio 7 by Harman Kardon by Harman, which actually Samsung owns these days. And I got it from T-Mobile for like half off, and it's like somewhere near 500 bucks. I thought that was a good deal until I saw it on eBay and it was pretty much already going for the same price, but oh well. Today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, check it out and see what's up. And actually some people were saying that they got the original Onyx Studio. I've never actually used this before, but I heard it in the T-Mobile store. It bangs, man. All right, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table. That is a heavy box, man. You know what? When I heard this, I immediately thought of my HomePod, and I thought this was gonna be a stationary speaker, but no, it's like a portable stereo Bluetooth speaker, and it looks like futuristic, man. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So we got the Onyx Studio 7 here by Harman Kardon by Harman, which is also Samsung, like I just said. We got the actual speaker right here. So like I said, it's a Bluetooth speaker, so it is Bluetooth and battery powered. So we're gonna have to go ahead and see, you know, how the battery life is and all that. But we got Bluetooth right there. On the left side, we actually have the speaker here just sitting on a table, look like a coffee table or something. On the back, we got Onyx Studio 7, so we got superior stereo performance, we got wireless Bluetooth streaming, we got 8 hours of playtime, so I mean, there you go, I guess. And then you actually got wireless dual sound. So the T-Mobile dude actually told me that you can link up more than one of these. So just imagine that stereo sound, you got them all linked up. Ooh, I can't wait, man. So you got what's inside the box, you got some technical specs and all that. So on the left side, you just got the speaker, so not much important there. At the bottom, you don't really got nothing. And then you got the retail price right here, which is actually $479.99, but I did not pay that. I paid like 200 bucks. And then at the top, you just got left, right, Bluetooth, you got the battery, and then just basically everything we just saw. So for this one, we're gonna have to go and bust out the knife. Let's go and get into this. I still haven't cleaned this knife, man. You know, I was playing with that drywall and I never got to it. Cutting that open and cutting that open. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and get up into this box. All right, man, let's go ahead and see what a $500 speaker looks like. This is more than my HomePod, I'm pretty sure. I think the HomePod was like 300 bucks or something. Oh man, I'm actually kind of hyped for this. I know I already heard it, so I really want to see, man. Let's go ahead and check this thing out, and I want to see the weight of this. So all right, let's go ahead and get this out of here. And it looks like nothing really much here. I think this is where the cable and stuff is, though. So this is our user manual, but hold on, let me go and focus on that. That's our user manual, but you know we do with this, we throw it to the side, and then we actually got our chargers here, as you can see right there with the cable icon. So from here, all we gotta do is just go ahead and pry this open, I believe, or we have to go ahead and figure this out. All right, so we got the charger cable here, as you can see. So it looks like this is a two-part cable because it's a big speaker, man. But getting this out of here real quick, let's go and see how this connects. It looks like it just uses an AC DC one. Yeah, pretty much. So we are using the AC charger on this. It's not like it's using USB-C or something, but I don't really care because it's not that portable, even though it is a portable speaker. But to be honest with y'all, this thing's probably gonna just be stationary pretty much the whole time. And when I want to bring it outside for when guests is over, I'll do that. Anyway, let's go and get to the actual speaker here. Yeah, man. Oh, snap. So I think that's gonna be it for the rest of the box. Let's go and throw that over there. And then we have the actual speakers. So we're taking this out here. Woo, snap. There we go. We got Harman Kardon, and then we just go ahead and put it down just like that. So here's our speaker, and it's like a decent amount of weight to it. So from what it looks like, this thing does not move. You can actually press this in, which is kind of interesting, but you can't move this handle around or anything. You can just put it down like that though. And when I put it down here, I can actually move it around a little bit. So I'm not really feeling that, but we'll see in a minute. And I just checked in the rest of the box and there's nothing else in there. So cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on real quick. And I actually got my Pixel 6 right here, my Pixel 6 Pro. I got this with me today because by the time I actually put this video up, my embargo will be over. So I want to show this off real quick, you know what I'm saying? So now let's go and turn this thing on real quick and see if we got any battery. And we do. Oh, you hear that bass? You hear that bass? Let's go. So it's actually in pair mode right now. So now let me go over here to the Bluetooth. Let's go over here to pair new device. And as you can see here, I'm pretty sure this is it, N03 and 0. So I've never seen that device before in my list of Bluetooth devices. So let's see if this is it or not. Looks like that wasn't it. It wasn't really connected for me. So now let's go ahead and try this again. Okay, so here we go. We got Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. So let's go and tap on that real quick. I'm not sure what these is, but here we go. Let's go and hit on allow access. And Just like that, we're connected. So now let's go over here to the settings and see if there's anything in here that we need to know. No, okay, cool. So now let's go over here to Spotify. Let's go and play some Pooh Shiesty or something. All right, so you know what? We're gonna actually go and play some Pooh Shiesty. We're gonna play Back in Blood. I know it's kind of old by now, you know, today's standards, but let's just go and play it anyway. So let's go and do that real quick. Let's go ahead later. And there we go. Let's listen to this. I'm gonna wait for the bass drop. I don't want to get copyright. Woo! Hold up! Hold up! That bass!
Thought you was a thug. I ain't even know who took this shit from you.
Go get it Back in Blood. Hold up a minute.
Shit like the 80s, want some back in.
Oh, snap. Hey, man. That speaker, that bass that just took me off. Oh, man. What's the word I'm looking for? That bass caught me off guard, man. Oh, snap. I was not expecting that. Now let's go ahead and play some Chucky beats. Let's play some non-copyright music real quick. But, whoo, man, you saw how hyped I was? That bass drop. Oh, snap. That was crazy. Oh, you know what? I'm cool with this song. We're gonna go and listen to this real quick. All right. Now let's go ahead and focus in on this real quick.
Chucky beat.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna just stop talking right now. I want you to listen to this. I'm gonna put it here in the center. All right, now let's listen to this. I really recommend y'all putting in your headphones for this, by the way. I know I just said I'm gonna stop talking, but all right, now I'm done. Now you know what? Let's go and play this song real quick. I want to hear how this sounds.
Right now, little car, extra little car, right, RP, coke, right, RP, 24. I can make cool 50K, let's 24 out.
He hopped up in a pole on. He ain't say nothing, he just blowed on. See, shorty about that life. It was 5 witnesses, local citizens.
Yeah. I'm too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl.
I'm flirting, it's making her wet. She hit me back as soon as I text. You think that I'm busting the tank, but I gotta switch that. Yeah. Bad bitch from the hood, she ratchet. New Glock on my hip, this plastic.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape.
But I can be treason, blowing the bag on you. You gon' let that for no reason.
Let's go. You know it, baby.
I feel like on Gucci Mane in 2006.
Y'all get the point. This ain't sound crazy, man. I love this speaker already. Like, that's all I need to hear. For around $200, this speaker is amazing. I don't think I've seen a better value speaker in a while now. Shout out to T-Mobile for putting this deal out for this speaker. Man, I love this. I should have got this a minute ago. Now, you already know. Let's see how the HomePod sounds. Now, as some of y'all know, I'm not really an Apple dude, but if there's one thing that I really love about Apple and I feel like they really did right, it's the HomePod. Like, I use this thing all the time, man. And the HomePod is my main speaker. We'll have to see if this new Harman Kardon is gonna replace it or not. First up, let's go and play the HomePod. Wow. There's no comparison.
They take one of yours. All the shorty gon'
She's got them in those
wow.
boys. Grandma trying
This,
to
I can tell y'all already. This one right here is taking it. All right, so I know this is way bigger, by the way, but man, there's no comparison there. This is a lot louder for one, and it just had more bass in the HomePod. But I'm gonna go and get up out of here, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this Onyx Studio 7 here by Harman Kardon, by Harman or Samsung, whatever you want to call it these days. Samsung's basically the parent company of Harman, and yeah, all that stuff there. But yeah, let me go and get up out of here, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at ESaidTech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter are most active. I am really impressed with this right here. The HomePod still sounds great, by the way, just for the record. I gotta put that out there. But this, man, that's just a whole different level of just, whoo, that's something else. And it's really not even that big. I mean, just look at it. It's basically just like the handle that's taking up most of the room. And then you even have some ports back here I forgot to cover. So you actually got an aux, you got a power, and then you got a service. So that's the USB-C. I'm not sure if you're supposed to plug that into a computer or not, but well, that's there. Also, here at the top, let me go ahead and cover this real quick. As you can see, we have an LED indicator blinking here, which I think means the battery is low. But you have a Bluetooth connect button, you have a volume down, you have a power, we got a volume up, and then we got a play and pause button. So I'm pretty sure this does not work with phone calls. But you know what? Let's go and try that real quick. I'm calling my house right now, and as you can see here, it's not picking up the speaker. It just won't let me because it's not compatible. It's nowhere to be seen in the list, but it is paired here. So let me go and end this call real quick. And as you can see here, This is connected, as you can see. Hold on, let me go and focus on this real quick. HK Onyx Studio 7, so it looks like you can't take phone calls on this speaker. All right, y'all, let me go and get up out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then. Peace out.